Light Progress Italy transforms UVC technology into a flexible tool able to ensure disinfection against all microorganisms, without using chemicals and with excellent value for money. UV Fan by Light Progress. There are two high-power lamps inside the fixture. Titanium dioxide filter deactivates the pathogens and destroys odors. It is a powerful photocatalyst which degrades organic and inorganic pollutants, volatile organic and non-organic compounds.
Let's see how UVC works in the fixture.
UV light penetrates the cell walls of bacteria, virus, and protozoa. The UV light penetrates deep into the virus and bacteria cores. UV energy permanently alters the DNA of microorganisms. Microorganisms are crippled and inactivated and unable to reproduce or infect. This UV fan unit is mobile and wall-mountable.